Hello everyone. Today I was looking at this question on the community about setting up start to start dependency in advanced roadmaps. Now, the last video I made on this topic on advanced roadmaps was actually on finish to finish dependency. Now, in this particular video, I basically talked about how dependencies work in advanced roadmaps. So basically, when you're using advanced roadmaps, you have the option to create a dependency, and that dependency is actually nothing but based on the issue type, or not the issue type, but the issue link. And that issue link is something that you can configure. Usually it is blocks, but in advanced roadmaps, when you configure those dependencies, by default, they are finish to start. So basically, when you have two tasks dependent on each other, so if task B is dependent on task A to finish. So if you specify this using the blocks issue link, I mean, it can be any issue link type, by the way, but advanced roadmap will plan them sequentially. So task A will be scheduled first, and then task B will be scheduled. But you can also change the configuration. So there is a configuration in the plan on how to configure it. Instead of sequentially, you can also configure dependent items concurrently. So this is something that you can do, but of course it will impact the whole plan, which I don't really prefer, because dependencies are usually, in most cases, dependencies are finish to start. You want to basically create a plan based on things that you're waiting for to finish from maybe another team, and that is how advanced roadmaps work. You don't really have the option to configure things like start to start or finish to start kind of dependencies. All you have is finish to start. But I would still say, even though you have finish to start dependencies in the advanced roadmaps, and you can also use concurrent, which is not really ideal, but you always have the option to create or basically modify the plan the way you want. For example, you may have these dependencies that are scheduled one after another, but if you think they need to be done together, maybe you can change the schedule yourself, maybe assigning them to the same sprint, or maybe use the rank field if you want to, maybe make them schedule them together like one after another in terms of priority as well. And advanced roadmaps will always give you some warning messages. I've shown this, by the way, in this particular video. I'll link this video in the description. You can take a look at it. But you always have the option to plan the work the way you want. Advanced roadmap is a tool to give you some ideas, suggestions based on the input that you will provide. So the plan will, of course, look at those things like estimation, number of stories, your team, and it will present a plan, but you don't have to follow it exactly. Feel free to use whatever works for you. And that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.